Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. B Academy, the place where you learn simple, real-life English conversations with confidence. If you're a beginner and you feel nervous talking in English, don't worry. You're in the right place. Today's topic is very easy and very useful. How to talk about your home in English. By the end of this podcast, you will be able to describe where you live, what kind of home you have, and how you feel about your home. So, let's get started. First, let's learn some common words. Please listen and repeat after me.
Home, house,
Apartment/flat. Room,
kitchen,
bedroom, living room, bathroom. Great job. Now, let's make easy sentences. Listen carefully. I live in a house. I live in an apartment. My home is small. My home is big. My home is clean and comfortable. Repeat these sentences aloud. Now, let's hear a short conversation. Where do you live?
I live in an apartment.
Is it big or small?
It is small, but very comfortable.
Now let's slow it down and understand. Where do you live? This question is used for asking about location. I live in an apartment. This sentence belongs to simple present tense. Big or small. These words describing size. Let's talk about rooms in your home. You can say, my home has 2 bedrooms. There is a kitchen and a living room. I have a small balcony. Listen again and repeat. Now, let's practice a long answer. Can you describe your home? I live in a small house. It has 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, and a living room. My home is clean and peaceful. I feel happy and relaxed in my home. Very good. This is perfect for interviews, daily conversation, and exams. Now listen to some common questions. Where do you live? Do you live in a house or an apartment? How many rooms are there? Do you like your home? Pause the podcast and try to answer these questions by yourself. You can also talk about feelings. Use these sentences. I love my home. My home makes me feel safe. My home is quiet and peaceful. These sentences sound very natural. Let's revise together. I live in. My home is. It has. I feel. Say these sentences loudly. You did an amazing job today. Talking about your home in English is now easy for you. Keep practicing every day, and your English will improve step by step. Thank you for listening to Mr. B Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English podcasts. See you in the next episode. Smiling face with smiling eyes.